Hello, assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm in the middle of a desert because I'm on my way from Cairo to Black and White Desert. It's a 2-day, 1-night trip and there's going to be no electricity, no signals abhi se chale gaye hain. So I'm trying to save my battery as much as I can so I can show you guys as much as possible. Tab tak see the route and I'll meet you guys at the next stop. Now we're in a Jeep 4x4. It was a really long ride before in the other car. I don't know how long it's going to be this one.
It's an hour.
You can see Indian boy Deepak introducing himself by flexing his muscles. Let's see how long this one is.
Hello guys, ये कैसे गाड़ियों में बिठाना है मुझे, मेरा पैर दर्द हो गया है, लेकिन नज़ारे बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारे हैं, नज़ारे अच्छे हैं, तो मज़ा आ रहा है।
We have arrived at this Bedouin area. It's an oasis and now we are going to have food over here, but before that we are going to swim a little. What do we have for food?
I don't know what this is.
Food. We will eat and I will tell you.
This is really good. This is egg, this is vegetables, this is tuna.
This is called chukchuka.
Chukchuka. In Pakistan it's called shakshuka. A little, yeah, similar.
This is called salata beldi.
Okay.
We are alone.
I know.
This is naan. What do you call it?
Ragif.
Ragif, we call it naan. And I don't know what this is. I think this is bangan ka bharta.
This salata.
This is cheese, tuna, eggs, eggs.
Carrot, come
I will
on.
tell you later. Chipsy. And you can duplicate what we're saying to another side. So, please, let us to have our lunch and we will take later.
Really good. You like the food?
I really like the food. This is like the best thing today because I haven't eaten anything.
Same.
How to survive in an Arab country 101. Always have bread in the bag.
Yeah. Because you never know when you're gonna get food again.
Yeah.
Exactly. Alright, so right now I'm in White Desert at the Crystal Cave, as you can see behind me, and it's really sunny. The winds are cold, and I've found this for myself from here, which I'm going to take back to Pakistan. This is such a beautiful place. The White Desert is really pretty in real life. We're about to do the most dangerous drive. Doesn't look scary from here, but it is really steep slope, and our tire is flat. So I'm gonna wear this rumal, scarf, whatever this is, until the guy fixes the tire. God gave us a warning to not go down the hill just like that. But we are ignoring that and we're gonna go.
We might
Let's see how it goes.
If we die, we love you. Your viewers.
No one loves you except for I. Hey.
Alex loves you.
I'm just like...
This used to be the bed of the ocean, and the ocean used to be way above these mountains, but right now it's all white desert. It's peaceful that we just took a rest for 10-20 minutes, and I'm just sitting on the sand right now. Behind me are the amazing white rock formations, extinct ocean bed, and it's really peaceful. I should start writing scripts for my videos because spontaneously I don't know what to say.
قلت عن تاكلي والتراب وحظك بجري حظك بجري اطلع يلا عشان غيرك استنى عن شو
There's sand in my shoes, sand in my eyes, sand in my clothes, sand in my hands, sand everywhere. बहुत गंदी क्वालिटी की वीडियो बन रही है इट्स बिकॉज यहाँ पे फ्लैश ऑन करना अलाउड नहीं है बिकॉज लाइट पोल्यूशन होती है। इस एरिया में ज़ीरो लाइट पोल्यूशन है, इस एरिया में ज़ीरो नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन है। बाय द वे हम लोग अपने कैंपिंग साइट पे आ गए हैं। इट्स इन द मिडल ऑफ नोवेयर एंड इट फील्स रियली स्केरी एज वेल बट इट्स सो पीसफुल। तार है सामान, टेंट्स and other stuff, and rest of them are over here. We have started cooking now. I don't know what's inside. He's cooking something for us. There is going to be barbecue, but I don't know what is in this one. And apart from that, I wish I could show you the stars right now, because the sky over right now is really pretty. There are like a million stars right now, and we're all just lying down in the desert watching stars and just enjoying the view. This feeling is undescribable, to be honest. I cannot put it into words how I'm feeling right now. I think he's making chai for us. Are you making chai?
I make tea for me.
For you? All these cups are for you? Good, perfect. This chai is really nice. It has mint in it. Really nice.
انا عايزكم الليله تنيموني مرتاح تخلصوا عليا
Amazing.
تسيبوني مرتاح. طيب ماشي.
Hello guys, I have woken up. I think it's 5 or 6 a.m. सब सो रहे हैं, 2-3 लोग उठ गए. We woke up to watch the sunrise while she is brushing her teeth, and he is preparing the breakfast for us. Let me show you. Good morning.
My kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen.
Group. Good morning.
Thank you. Tonight was honestly the best sleep of my night after ages. इतना मजे से मैं I don't remember last कब सोया हूँ. Although it was just a few hours, not too long, but it was really good. By the way, weather here is so cold. मुझे इतनी ठंड लगी है रात को. But I was sleeping under thick blanket made of camel skin. It was really thick. but अभी इस वक्त इतनी ठंड है यहाँ पे. The breakfast table is almost ready. We have fruits, we have cheese, we have yogurt, we have juice, we have cake, we have bread. We have enough stuff.
هناك ده تعرفي بيغلي ولا لا؟
Alright, now we're about to leave from here. We're all packed up, we're all ready, and I don't know where we're going next. So let's see where we go. How's the trip going for you?
It has been the best trip of Egypt so far. I feel very at peace right now.
Because Happy is here. Because Happy is here.
What is Habi?
Saeed. My name is
Saeed El Hadidi.
انا فكر اسوق البرازر ايه مفيش الا ماي سيستر هناك. هاي بعد ما نديها هي عاد اللي تديكم واعطتكم ما اعطتكمش براحتها.
It's really sweet. It's really nice. Yeah.
What's the name?
Tastes really good. Guava. Amrud.
G-U-A.
Just tried this shisha. ये बहुत डिफरेंट है बाकी शीशों से. ये कड़वा जहर है ये वाला. इसमें कोई फ्लेवर नहीं है लेकिन नाइस एक्सपीरियंस.
سلمى
के पर इन्होंने फ्लेवर के ऊपर साथ ही लकड़ी रखी है जला के. कोयले भी नहीं, लकड़ी. That's how they make it their traditional way. Are you stealing the dates here?
Yeah.
Did you steal any yet?
For you.
Okay.
I don't know what's good, but wait.
The brown ones. Eat the brown ones.
Give me a brown one. Thank you. Taste test, guys.
I don't think it's gonna be good.
Really?
I guess.
These dates are different than the ones that we eat.
Really? Is it better or
These are not soft, they are crispy.
is it good?
Crunchy, yes. And they're making the mouth really dry.
Oh yeah.
Have you tried them?
I tried it and I don't like it.
One looks like something that we eat. I think it's fully paka hua hai. That's what we say. Or kuch zyada hi paka hua hai. But this is nice. So we are on our way back to Cairo, and right now we are having noodles. We were really hungry. We just had breakfast at 6 a.m. So right now we just stopped. It's 4:30 p.m. right now. So we stopped at the convenience store to get noodles for ourselves. I'll see you all in Cairo now.